Hello, my beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you for the watch this my video. My people, as soon as know for this our channel, say we they bring gists, aproko, anything we don't concern gist. Now with the land for this our channel. That's why you see, say this channel with the column aproko saga TV. Anyway, if you don't see that channel, news and gist what they do for dear. My people, I beg, make una continue to encourage this channel by subscribing. Just subscribe. It don't take anything from you. Subscribe, put on your notification bell, like and share. I will also appreciate all of you when they watch our video, when they share our video, when also they like this our video. We really do appreciate you all. Okay, guys, I go leave una make una watch this video. This is our latest gist. May I leave una make una watch am. Okay, my people, I will see you now for my next video. Bye bye.
Appealing that if they don't get anyone naira, I beg, use your platform, tell una people, make them support us, may we feed our man burial. I told the son, I said, yes, don't worry. When the time is right, I will bring you people. I will bring you to me. I'll bring you to the world. They love your mother. I made them love your mother. They never knew your mother. Your mother was in the street begging for 19 years. Nobody knew her. She went to our brother foundation and they were giving her stipend from there. Yet she was not known by the world. We brought her to our foundation, spiced her up, taught her how to speak English, made her look very jovial. She was loved by the whole world. I made woman leader a celebrity in the world. In the world. That's why it pained me. That's why I shed tears. Because my dream for her was cut short. I looked forward to a day I was going to carry a woman leader to America, to Canada, to Europe and say, we don't land Europe. Present my tickets to me here. And she will present in Europe. All of those dreams were shattered. That's why I felt bad. That's why I shed tears, because my dream was to make her enjoy life to the fullest.
Nice.
When I was called that morning that she had an accident on her way to get palliative, I felt sad. I felt sad because I understand that you have everything. Before that day, I had sent money to the crew, including her, who said she will not stay at home, she must follow them. They went to buy all the rice we had to share. The woman leader told them she will not stay at home. She joined them to say, I deal with you here. As the boys were packing the rice, she was standing and looking at them. They called me on video call. I was seeing all of them. She bought the palliatives. The chickens that were to come, she knows. The cow they bought, she knows. So there was no reason for anything. But why I do not blame her, even in death, is that, you see, these our old people, they are like that. It's not their fault. Please, I am appealing. Nobody should blame her anymore, please. Because we know how old people behave. Even our mothers. If you have an old woman at home and you give her 2 lorries of rice to say, take the eat anytime when you're hungry. If she hears that they share rice for outside gate, she go run, go keep say your own memory. It's in their culture. No be her fault. It is in their culture. You go still come outside and say, give me.
Nice.
You understand? So please don't blame her that she was moving from one place to the other to still go and get palliative. It wasn't out of hunger. When I called the daughter the day of the accident, when I told them to rush her quick to any fast hospital, the first thing they told me, the daughter, she told me, I read the day before yesterday, I see different kind of rice inside her room. I can't ask her, all the rice that Collins give you, where you still go carry, why they go outside again? Say, you can say no, that I want to tell her, say, go spoil. So she had food much in the house. The day I entered Nigeria, I went that place straight to the house. The children were all there, were together. Food was in that room, full. In that room. Full. Full, very full. See right now, if you enter that her room, rice dey inside that room right now. Plenty. She was not hungry. There's no way she would have been hungry. Even if it is not food, for the money that I'm always giving to her, the world is sending. Collins, 55,000 for the woman leader, 10,000. Every giveaway we do from how many months, January till now, people will always say, add woman leader, Jenna, we'll still present you to her. So she had money, much more than even the other staffs. Yet, everybody carried her with love. Each and every one carried her with love. And she's loved. You understand? So I had talks with them. They told me, I told them I was going to speak to them and bring them out for people to support them together. Not one. Now, if the death of their mom will bring unity to them, then now it's fine. I want to appeal to members of the public. Please. A fool at 40 is a fool forever. If you do not have anything to do, go and watch wrestling. If you do not have anything to do, go and watch wrestling. Don't watch videos of a recalcitrant. Somebody who doesn't have life, you are watching his video. Doesn't make sense. So please don't. We will not respond to him. We are not watching him. We do not even want people to send us a link. An Englishman said talk is cheap. Talk is cheap. Please, let us all stay strong, like I'm staying strong. Just a minute, please. Let's all stay strong, like I'm staying strong. I miss her. Nobody ever called me on phone to say, I want to give you contract. And that contract now can't take care of woman leader. If you know, say you give me contract of say, I want to give you this woman who, I beg, take care of her. Now only you get right to ask me question.
Okay.
But if you no give me hold, you don't get right to ask me stupid questions. Just a minute, please. Percy, that has explanation for anything is God Almighty. Because He is the only giver of life. Only God Almighty is the giver of life. The woman leader was not sick. She was very strong. Till she left very early in the morning to go and get a palliative. I don't know why, but it's part of those things for these old people. We will manage with them. We'll keep managing. And I would not give anybody attention. I would not allow anybody use me climb, use my name to get viewers. No, please. You all will do me a great favor if you disregard this person. Don't watch their videos because all they carry is hatred. And let's not go there, please. The love we have for her, we will continue.
My God. Okay.
You understand? We will love her. The things I bought for her from diaspora stay with me. Because I remember I showed her, woman leader, you like this trouser, you like this shoe. It was on live video, safe. That's to tell you the love I have for her. Too much love. I miss her so very much because it got to a point outside allowing her. The essence of me telling her to come to my office every day, because I call my office workplace. So when I say everybody come to work, I'm trying to tell everybody come to the office. Not be saying why can't you shove and work. It's because I wanted that not to be moving up and down. Because when I sit down and I see some of those women say, Mayagba you, and on live videos, they say, Abame, oh, you know, I just knew I needed to keep her close to me. And that's why I told her every day they come. So that she'll be strong and be out of depression. I felt so sad. I felt so sad. But like I know, life is for the living. We move. You don't get waiting we never see for life before. Each and every one of you watching me now, one way or the other, you go don't lost one person where you love. You know get in one beam, you follow and enter ground.
Okay.
For those that sent us palliatives, sent us cash to support the giveaway for our women and men in Benin for Christmas and New Year, please don't feel like we didn't do it. We will do it in a couple of days from now. I have told them this morning, women were calling me, very many from the office. Are we there here? We will not share for us. And I said, hey, Ali, who's on the gate? Ah, okay, the plumber guy. Open for him. You understand? I told them, please, we will still do it too. We will still do it. You understand? We will still do it. We will ensure that we will give them all the necessary palliatives that were sent. You understand? we as a people would continue to do our good work. The love we wanted to show her, or we've been showing her. So sad. The people who actually loved her miss her. Even me, I have missed her so very much that I feel very down. Since then, my friends have been sending me condolence messages. I want to use this medium to appreciate all of you around the world for all the messages you've been sending to me, calling me, wishing me best of luck and praying for me to say you tried your best. Be strong. Please be strong. Thank you very much. I appreciate you all very much. Bring that. For the grace that I'm using is of God. I want to be grateful to all of you for the numerous calls, the messages of encouragement. Thank you very much. No matter what we do, the woman leader will not come back. And that is a fact that I have to get used to. As much as I show that excess love, I only wish I would have opportunity of doing more. Only an illiterate, only somebody who didn't go to school, only a blind man will see the way I carried the woman leader and speak vague. Only a blind and stupid person. A woman who I went out of my way to bring to my house, kept her in my room, give her a room to stay in my house, spend weekend, come and spend weekend. In fact, I did as if she was my mother. Many people didn't know that she was not my mother. People thought she was my biological mother. I want to thank Comrade Stanley Usakwinokwodin. I want to thank Apostle Uyinosa. I want to thank Amafe Jessica. I want to thank Ibo Stone. I want to thank all social media presenters who, in one way or the other, stood by me. I want to thank all of you so very much. Even those that I didn't know liked me. I was shocked when I saw social media presenters. They were all sending me messages. All sending me messages. Like, bro, sorry. What did they worry this cow? I said, leave her. I said, just leave her. Now so they do. Not be me to start. Not be me go to end. Now so it be. He don't do Akobe. He don't do Sandoka. He don't do John Saigi. He don't do many people. Now me is there, but he go soon pass me. If anybody want me rich body, try do one good thing. He's an enemy of good things. So I said, just leave him. There was a time he follow Akobe. I know him. He do Sandoka. I know him. That's why he life rich. So please, let's not give him attention. Don't speak about him. Don't talk to him. Don't respond to him and his gullible followers. Just ignore him. The people who respond positive on the platform are enemy of good things. You won't see any responsible American that would say good thing about that idiot. You won't see any good Canadian or European that would do it. You understand?
Okay.
So we'll just ignore and let's continue. I want to even thank him. Please, gentlemen, help me thank him for the new upliftment he just gave to me. Do you know how many people call me every day? I didn't know about you, but now you're like the whole world. Everybody is talking about you. I want to start following you. I'm supporting you from now. Please put me on the WhatsApp group. And I say thank you so much for the free publicity. You promoted me too much. This is one of the prayers I pray. God, use my enemies to bless me. Use my enemies to uplift me. Trying to bring me down, he pushed me up. He pushed me up. See me today. People who don't know me can't know me. Not be good thing be this. May God bless that our useless brother. God will bless him. As he raise me up, he thinks he won't bring me down. God use my enemies to raise me up. Thank you. I will not attend to him.
Nice.
He thinks I was coming back to come and reply, and then maybe I say the true word at each other. I won't do it. I'm not after him. I don't big pass him already. Tie away the front, not the miss the one with the back. I don't big pass him. Tie away the front. You know the mid one with the back. The guy did back. Two back.
My God.
So for me, let's continue to do the good work we are doing. We'll come out strong. I have up to, recently I got a notification from Facebook. I have almost 50 something new followers. Courtesy, talk. Thank you. Free publicity. Where's it? Just so painful that the woman leader was supposed to happy with for Christmas, can't give rice, my sister, you know, it's no man. I miss her so very much. When the time for the funeral is, we'll come back and we'll tell you all that this is the date they have put to. Please, let's support the children, and I will bring their children. I want to have a conversation with them, yeah, because I was thinking I want them to have a joint account that we will bring out. The family joint account, so that people can donate to that account for the welfare of the burial of their mom. You understand? When they donate there, everybody for the family will be same. Later they will go and use it to do the burial.
Nice.
I don't want it to be, it's not a foundation affair, it's love that they want to show to the family. So let us just bring the children. When they were telling me, we want to put date, sir, we'll come beg you. My name is Maye, Kobo my Baba, La oh, I love you, I show you my West say, as my boyo, I say, Izu boyo, or Sereni, I will bring you people out, and the whole world will show you love.
Okay.
For your mother's sake. You understand?
My God.
So we are out fully. We'll be distributing the food items in a couple of days to the people, because if we don't do it now, those people who actually sent it to us, we think the essence of sending that time because they want to make people enjoy their Christmas and New Year. So if we want to give them after New Year, it don't make sense. Let's do what we can do. Let's do what we can do. Please don't respond to them, don't answer them, don't even watch them. See the views I get now. When last you get this kind of view? You know, ask yourself. I beg, we are not promote them. Just ignore them. Let's continue to do our good work. As much as we miss her, life must go on. Let's continue to do good things. I want to appreciate all social media presenters who talked about us. Dada Masses, thank you very much. Thank you, Ranomigo. Edo reality show. Thank you, Ranomigo. God bless you. I never knew you liked me. I never spoke to you once. Till today, I've never spoke to Ranomigo ever in my life. I saw him do a video of leave Collins alone. Everybody, leave Collins alone. What thing I follow you by and not pay? Tell me, I pay you. You have given me opportunity to get new followers now. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. People are calling me. I want to join your WhatsApp group. Thank you. I said no. The WhatsApp group is closing today or tomorrow because a house that has what's it called, imposters, you don't keep them. The WhatsApp group was even created wrongly. The way we created it that time, the beginning. We created it because we just started that time. We put link on Facebook. Anybody that want to join, come and join that time. So it was very wrong the way we created it. A WhatsApp group is also supposed to be a group where you create to have a family, not an enemy. So I want to appeal to all my fans. Let's stay strong. It's a trying moment for us. The best way we can beat this moment is to come out strong. We'll come out strong. Let's come out strong. The more they talk, the more we move. The more they talk, the more we move. Let's move. The people who sent me wanted us to distribute to the less privileged during the Yuletide so that they will be able to eat. So let's just do the distribution to them and come out because life has to continue. Life has to continue. All right? So for us, we do not have any enemy in town. We don't believe somebody is waiting for us. We are not waiting for anybody. The only way we respond is to continue doing good. The sky is wide enough for all birds to fly. If you want to do your own, do. I love the late woman leader like no man's business. She was full of life. The day they did my birthday in Benin, she was there enjoying. Somebody who didn't go to school. If you are in a Western world, all those old women where they take care of, not be milk and ice cream that they give them during summer. They gave her, she was enjoying her life, things she didn't have the opportunity of. She was never sick. She enjoyed her life. The next morning, she wake up for us according to her neighbors. Now she wake up bath, saying you want to go carry foul when she get accident. So I don't know why people's brains are upside down. The goal is not to talk. The goal is to just look for wrong words to be talking so that people will paint us black and not follow us the more. But funny enough, we have new followers.